Learn to add and edit parts counting library items on the Ohaus Defender 5000 indicator. Once the unit is powered on, select the Library Mode button twice to access the Parts Counting Library menu. Then select the New Item button. Select the soft key under the checkmark icon to move the cursor to the entry field. The first one is the PN or part number. Once entered, select the soft key again to move to the name field. To enter a name, select the button in the upper right of the keypad to change it from numeric to alpha characters. You must press the button the number of times as the letter is in the list. For example, you would press 2-3 times to access C. Follow these same steps to enter in the APW and under and over tare weights. Once all information is entered, select the Confirm button to submit the item into the library. Let's walk through these steps again and add a second item. You can navigate through the library items by selecting the library and using the soft keys for navigation and selection. Verify on the screen that the right part number was selected. Now to edit an existing item in the Parts Counting library, start with selecting Library. Use the right arrow button to see additional options and then edit. Use the checkmark soft key to navigate to the field that needs editing. Once highlighted, begin entering the correct information. After edits are complete, select Confirm. Here we are showing you the updated information displaying on the screen. Finally, to delete a record from the library, start with selecting Library. Then navigate to Edit and select the soft key for Delete. You will be asked if you want to delete it permanently. Select the check for Yes. By using the back arrow, you can see that item is now removed from the library.